Yo, it's Gucci. Welcome back to my channel, baby. I'm finally back on the R3. I'm back in the United States. This summer I was spending the whole time with the Duke 790. I was riding in the Alps, in the Swiss. It was amazing. And it's so freaking scary. It was beautiful, but now we are back to cold, usually very rainy Oregon. I don't know where to even go. My brother? What the fuck? That was funny. And I'm gonna finally meet with my friends. We're gonna record a bit. I don't know if they're gonna come by bike or by car. We're gonna see. And yeah, the plan is to record some rollers. And funny thing, on Duke 790 I actually have a quick shifter. My boyfriend has it. On this bike I don't have a quick shifter, and I tried to like switch the gears as if I had the quick shifter. It did not work. Bro, there's so many debris on the road. This is so disgusting. It's not like that in Europe at all. Like, Europe is more clean, I feel like, the streets. Here we have leaves, we have, I don't know, what is that, hay? Dirt, rocks, sand. I'm gonna be extremely late. They told me that they are there like, I don't know, 30 minutes ago. Ay, ay, ay. But it's usually them. They are late, so it's fine. One time I had to wait for them an hour something, so they gotta be patient. Woohoo. Okay. Is CJ here? Okay, perfect. How are you?
What's up? I'm good.
Good?
How are you?
Doing great. It's kinda cold, I won't lie.
It's cold, yeah.
It's freezing.
I gotta take my shit down. I see this. When you're on the highway, I saw it going like this. Yeah, that looks bad. I need to tape it down.
Damn, you got a plate?
Yeah, duh.
Is this real?
No, it's not. It's not. But yeah, I forgot to change it after the last photo shoot. I was like, well.
I'll just leave it. They're
That's
not gonna
cool.
know.
Actually, it's legit, yeah.
You're gonna run either way.
Okay, I think we can go, boys.
Yeah.
Yay! Damn. No, I love them. Like, they are so funny, and like you can see how it looks on his setup and his camera. That is awesome. Damn, this Duke sounds so good. It makes me want to get an 890 as next bike, not gonna lie. Well, one of us just fucking heated it and left, so I guess we won't get any content. He's just waiting there. Hey! I bet! Yeah! CJ, hey! Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's check it out.
That's good.
Hell yeah. Everyone was recording us, everyone. Like, they were just like this to us. Yeah.
Well, this dude on the corner, he was like,
Yeah.
Like, make up your fucking mind, dude.
I'm turning, he's like,
Yeah? I saw that. I saw
He's trying to
that.
get insurance claim.
like, please.
No,
It might have died.
Huh?
I think it died.
No!
You got probably some of the footage.
Fuck, it's a white balance is a bit fucked. The video is a bit blue. I recorded it in D-Log, but the white balance is fucked.
You use vlog?
Yeah. back all safe. You guys all good, yeah? Okay, thank you so much for it was so much fun. Next time I'm gonna bring those candies, I hope.
Sounds good.
If I don't forget, yeah.
Be warm.
Yeah, you as well. You gave me my phone, right? Okay.
I came out with it, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Shit, where did I put my phone? I don't have it. There's no way I have it. Fuck. God damn it. I feel so stupid. Haha, I have it.
Found it?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Your phone?
I
You
found
lost
it.
it?
I found it.
Oh, I was about to fucking
No, I
say,
found it.
Now we're good to go.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. It was just under my gloves. Hee. Oopsie. Okay, you guys, so we just recorded and you probably already saw the clips, but I did not. I'm very excited to see them. And yeah, I'm just here with my bike, just chilling. Guys already left. Gonna probably come home soon because it's gonna get dark. It gets dark super quickly. It's so annoying, like so depressing as well. Like I wish I could ride till, I don't know, 8 p.m. or something. Right now it's just dark, slippery, wet, dirty, not safe at all. But it was so much fun. It's always so much fun with them. They are like super passionate about recording and making content as me, and they are just awesome. I'm very, very like glad and blessed to have them as friends. They are amazing. But yeah, I better get going. Oh, I was supposed to show you guys the helmet itself. This is how it looks. From the side, it kind of reminds me of HV from the front. I'm not really liking what is under the mount. You can't really see it because of the mount right now, but I'm not really a big fan of that. It doesn't look bad. It just looks kind of different, but maybe this helmet will grow on me. I will also maybe show you other helmets that I had in the past and still have, just to like have a comparison. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that I'm sure that we made some crispy clips. So yeah, very excited to see them and check them out as soon as I get home safely. Yeah, thank you so much for all the love, for all the support, and see ya. No, I'm joking. Comment your favorite ride that you did this year. What was your favorite ride this year? Let me know down in the comments. I just like reading through that, to be honest. It's relaxing. So yeah, thank you. See ya.